What is going on, you guys? We're back with another fishing episode with, you know, your boy making fishes, of course. Hello. Today's Monday, April 28th, I think, 29. We're gonna see if I could catch some spawning bass. I should be in school right now, but senior dish day, homie, so I don't really care. So yeah, first cast of the day. No backlash, finally. Right now I'm fishing at Lake Casitas. It's finally at 100% full of water. So there's a lot of debris because it's been raining a lot.
Bruh.
I knew it.
Bruh.
Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you for that bird's nest, bro. Woohoo! Yes, okay. lost my worm, but it's whatever. I'm gonna recast. What I'm using is a drop shot setup with a drop shot hook and drop shot weight with the 6-inch Morning Dawn. It's my favorite robo worm. 6-inch straight tail Morning Dawn with my Shimano SLX DC. 12-pound J braid, I think. I even bought some night crawlers, and because I have a spinning rod. May have to bait and wait right here. There's a bunch of little bass jumping out. Oh, I think I just got hit. Nope, I'm stuck. No, I just set up. So I think I got it. I'm stuck. Yeah. I don't even know how I caught that fish. I saw it jump like right there earlier, like right there, before I made that cast. So I just kept on casting it there, and I got that bird's nest. So I think I just got lucky, to be honest. I'm just jigging it right now, like, popping it just for that worm to get a couple action, you know. Trimming it somewhat slowly. I might go to the dock later and use the red worm or night crawlers. Cause yesterday I came with my dad and little brother, and we were catching a bunch of some fish. Since I guess they're spawning too, cause they spawn around the same time as bass. Look, little bass right there. Might be the same one I caught earlier, but whatever. Yeah. I'm thinking the night crawlers might work right here, to be honest. I'm heading over to the dock because some lame pulled up, started fishing next to me, bruh. Out of all the banks you have, you literally pull up to the bank I'm fishing. Makes me so mad, bro.
Well, my grandkids knew more about my motorhome than when my daughter and my son-in-law they took off with them, and they kept screwing up. That motorhome. Yeah. Now you got no microwave and you ain't got nothing, and that's that. Little Frank knows how to fix that generator. Nice.
Oh, it's a.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, nice perch.
I'm getting bit. I'm on. I'm on. Let's go, baby. I'm on. I'm on. Yes, sir. Sir, let's get it. Second bass of the day. Not bad. I always cap on my uncle because he says this is a good, because I never catch anything on it. But my uncle's always like, no, this is the one to go, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, yeah. So right now. I'm getting bit again. Oh no, I lost him. Fuck. Ain't no way, bro. Second cast, I'm getting bit again. Might have been the... All I gotta do to catch these bass is to just keep on casting. I'm getting bit. I'm on. I'm on again. Oh, don't tell me it came off. Oh no. Yeah. No. Third bass of the day. Let me get my pliers. You see, if you keep on catching it back, they're just gonna get pissed off. Second one, or third one of the day. Let's get it. Let me throw them back in the water. In the water. That might have been the mom and dad bass in their bed, protecting their bed. But it could have been a different bed, because I think I casted out a different. Yeah, I don't know, but I hate it because every time I have a good fishing session, my uncle's not here, bro. Sad. You just nose hook the worm. I'm gonna cast out another spot. Hopefully there's no rattlesnakes in here, bro. Oh, damn, it's wet. Whatever. Cast it out, same spot. I hear bass hate bluegill because when bass are spawning, if they see a bluegill, they chase it away from the nest because supposedly they eat their eggs. I don't know if it's true, but that's what I heard. And I seen this one YouTuber called Optic Fishing. He's from.
Bruh.
Oh fuck. Nah. He's from Ventura County. He fishes this body of water too. Pyramid, the Casitas, all of the body of waters, and he's been using that thing for spawning, that bluegill bait for spawning, and he's caught a lot of bass. I seen his Instagram too. Got that bird's nest undone. I'm gonna probably have to switch over. Nah, actually, I'm gonna throw it that same spot I caught the bass on. I just want to see if it's true. Perfect. It's a fast sink too, so this sinks right away. I'm gonna just pop this.
Bruh.
No. Rip bluegill bait came off. Oh well. All that time just for it to come off. Whatever.
Like an air. It's where they take off the RC blinds.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can go back up there. There's a cool spot back there.
Well, yeah, I just came to hit up this spot right here because every time the coyote dock, since it's, I don't know why it's in the middle.
It's broken.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I always see people fishing over here and catching fish.
I fished over there the other day and caught some.
Yeah?
Just small, like like you said, 12 inches.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get a big fish.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Who isn't though?
Yeah.
Everyone
Alright.
catch a big
Alright.
one.
Alright. Later.
Alright, good luck.
Alright.
You follow me on Instagram or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Comment on one of my videos and I'll follow you back if I don't.
I bet. Oh, finally, this is a spot I've been wanting to fish. But that's crazy. I was talking about that fool Steve from Optic Fishing, and that fool pulled up right here. But a couple casts because I got a dip soon. Oh, I'm getting big. The heck? Oh, I'm on. Yes, sir. Oh, this is a big one. First cast. Whoa, this is a nice one. Oh. Bro. Yo, first cast. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna weigh it real quick, see how much. Yeah, drop shot rig. Fuck. My weight doesn't have battery. My scale.
I don't have my scale either.
Let me just.
That's a good one right there.
Yeah.
He probably fought pretty good too, huh?
Yeah, he did. I was checking my phone.
Yeah.
And then that's all it takes. Just let it sit.
Just letting it sit. I've had that happen to me here so many times. It's unbelievable.
I know. Like lately, like the fishing has been really good. Can you take a picture of me? That way it could release.
I got worm shit all over my hands.
No, that's all good.
Let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. There we go.
Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me go release this real quick.
Alrighty. Good job.
That's crazy, bro. First cast, that big fish. What time is it? Oh, 2:08. Still got time. No true. Alright. I gotta leave, bro. It's getting late. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe. And it was a good fishing session, not gonna lie. Skipped school to go fishing, 4 bass, 1 sunfish. It was, at the end of the day, it was a good day of fishing. Met out there fishing too. He was a cool guy. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.